So I got the battery set in here on the tractor, and I need to solder some new terminals on here. You can see it's got this pre-made lug on here, and it's just not gonna fit down in there. It's not the right shape, it's not gonna fit. So I'm gonna snip it and solder this one on here. I got a trick to do it, guys. Here's all the old wire. What is that, a piece of smashed down copper pipe? All rusty. Seems like a great way to start a fire. You can see I have the battery sitting here all legit. I got a really good ground on here. Really good contact there, so it'll be a good ground. I'm gonna put a little bit of heat shrink on here, and on here, and on here, and then when we're done, we're gonna put some on here too. Blowtorch, flux, solder, new connectors, new cable. I got these down at Harbor Freight a long time ago. They work great for cutting giant wires. I'll post a link in the description. You gotta flux it good so the solder will flow. Put your little hole in there so you can fill it with solder. Wet rag. Wrap it in a wet rag to protect the rubber. You just keep going until it's full. And it's done. Full of solder. Let's clean it up. Perfect. Add some heat shrink. A little dielectric grease so there's no corrosion. That came out great, guys. All buttoned up. Later.